Hey, I'm Tony King from Zerion, and I'm going to give you another Epicor Eclipse tip. So today's tip is getting a separate ticket besides just your pick ticket to print out. And the reason why this is really helpful is because there are some situations where you need not only the pick ticket for your general warehouse, but you might need the pipe to be pulled by a second person or the wire to be cut by the wire person, and you just need a second ticket. So we call these work tickets. And today what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to set that up where those tickets can actually print out on a separate printer for you, separate from the general pick ticket. I'm going to start with eTerm and go to F8, F4, and go to warehouse maintenance and then zone maintenance. Enter in the branch that you want to modify. And on the first entry here, I'm going to do it for the wire zone. I'm going to do a beginning location of wire 1 and then wire 2. In the exclude from picking queue, I'm going to put in yes, and then I'm going to put the printer number that I want the work ticket to spit out at. On the right hand side, the yard ticket, I don't need to use that. That's for printing out when a manifest prints. The next line, you want to make sure that you load the rest of the warehouse so that all of your locations will actually work when you're in product location maintenance. Now let's show it to you in Solar. I'm going to go to Warehouse Management. I'm going to go to Warehouse Maintenance. I'm going to go to Zone Maintenance. I'll enter in the branch that I want to modify. And on this first entry, I'm going to put in Zone W, starting location of wire 1 and then wire 2. And under the exclude from picking queue, I'm going to go ahead and check the box and make sure I put in the printer number that I want the work ticket to print out on. I don't need to check the box for required quantity or yard ticket. On the second entry here, you want to make sure that you load the rest of your warehouse locations so that when you go into product location maintenance and modify locations, those locations will work. Close the screen, save your changes. Okay, thank you so much for watching the tip today. I hope you find it helpful. Over the years, I've seen a lot of times where clients and customers are duplicating their pick tickets. Either they're asking us to print them twice or they're making photocopies of them. They're distributing through the warehouse to different people. And you don't really need to do that. If you just allocate certain zones to be excluded for pick tickets or for work tickets rather, then you can get that second ticket, and it can be for just the wire folks. It could be for the pipe yard. You can do it for multiple different things, and it just can be really, really useful and helpful to those folks in the warehouse so they don't have to duplicate that pick ticket. Hope you guys have a wonderful week, and thanks for watching.